These apps affairs show you
How to see recently deleted stories on Instagram. So, whenever you delete a story, the deleted story will be stored in recently deleted folder for 30 days. Before 30 days, you will be able to easily recover any deleted story. And here's how to do it. First of all, go to your profile, tap on this menu icon, tap on your activity, tap on recently deleted, and tap on story. And here you will find all of your recently deleted stories. Stories will be stored in this folder for 30 days. After 30 days, all of your recently deleted stories will be permanently deleted. And now to recover any story, just tap on the story, tap on more, tap on restore, and that's it. This is how we can see our recently deleted stories on Instagram. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.